Hey, baby. You like being in your walker? Yeah. You a happy baby? You can walk around a little more? Huh? Where you going? Where you going? And you can turn yourself. Oh no, that's cucking. No, you don't touch that. Come on, go this way. Don't get stuck on it. Move this out of the way. Is that what you're trying to do? With your little hand? So funny and cute. Oh, you just want to touch it? No, you can't have that. Where you going? Right into me? Hi. Oh, you're squeezing in or what? It's too small. What, you want Mama to move that? Let me see his little feet. Yeah, let's go back over there. Come on. Let's go. Come on, Curly Q. Let's go. Beep, 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 beep. Back it up. Beep. Trying to go in your brother's room, huh? Hmm? Beep. Beep. Where you going? Baby. Brody. Where are you going? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. You didn't say bye. Wait, bye-bye? No? Not right now. Okay. Good job. Good enough. See you later.